We took the challenge of living on 58 cruise ships full time to see if this is really the future of travel. Living on a cruise ship permanently is a concept that's gaining popularity, especially among retirees and adventurers. Imagine waking up every morning in a different port, surrounded by the ocean and all the luxuries a ship has to offer. It's a dream come true for some, but is it really feasible? One of the biggest concerns is the financial cost. Cruise ships can range from affordable to extremely pricey, depending on the line and accommodations. Even with the cost of meals and activities included, it's easy to overspend on drinks, shore excursions, and specialty dining. Not to mention, living on a ship full time means you'll have to pay for a cabin every month, which can add up quickly. Another challenge is adjusting to life at sea. Constantly changing time zones and dealing with rough seas can be tough on the body. And then there are close quarters. You'll be sharing public spaces. It can get lonely or feel isolating at times, especially if you're used to having your own space. Some people might also miss out on family and friends back home. With the ship's itinerary changing every week or two, it can be hard to maintain relationships. And let's not forget about internet connectivity. It can be spotty at best, making it difficult to stay in touch with loved ones or to get work done. On the flip side, living on a cruise ship offers incredible travel opportunities. You get to visit multiple destinations without the hassle of constant packing and unpacking. Plus, you have access to a wide range of onboard amenities like pools, gyms, spas, and restaurants, which can make for a very comfortable life. The sense of community on a cruise ship is another major draw. You'll meet people from all walks of life, and with the ship's social calendar always full, there's always something to do or somebody to talk to. And when it comes to food and entertainment, you have a vast array of choices right at your fingertips. Many ships, but definitely not all, also cater to full-time residents with special programs and events. Some even offer discounted rates or packages for extended stays. For those looking for a unique living experience, this could be an exciting way to see the world. However, for every benefit, there's also downsides to consider. The lack of stability and routine might not appeal to everyone, and health insurance and medical care might be tricky to navigate while at sea. Take me and Kirk, for example. As an early retired couple, we had decided to sell our house and live on cruise ships full time. In fact, we were on a ship when we got an offer out of the blue for our house, which we accepted. We started our full-time adventure by doing a trans-Pacific cruise that took us straight to Japan, and then we've been traveling around the world ever since on 12 different cruise lines. While we have always loved the freedom and convenience of living on a cruise ship, we've also faced challenges like dealing with limited storage space and making friends who are constantly changing. One of the biggest surprises to us that I want to share with you is how quickly you can adapt to life on a cruise ship. There are all kinds of ups and downs also that include trying out new restaurants and activities, but also having to get used to only having a suitcase of all of your belongings with you and being faced with unreliable internet more often than you would expect. We've met several people while cruising who have also decided to live on cruise ships, and I would say that the overall consensus is that it is a lot of fun and an interesting way to live, but it really isn't for everyone and not as glamorous as people may think. If you're going to do this, you would have to remain open-minded, be flexible, and be aware that you would likely have to make a lot of sacrifices. But overall, it's worth it if you love travel, cruising, and new experiences. To sum it up, living on a cruise ship full-time offers a unique blend of travel, community, and luxury, but it's not without its challenges. Financial costs, lifestyle adjustments, and limited stability are significant factors to consider. If you're weighing the pros and cons, think about what matters most to you in a living situation. If you've ever considered an unconventional lifestyle or have thoughts about living at sea, I would like to invite you to check out this quiz that I made. It's designed to make you think about the experience of living on a ship with many real scenarios so that you can evaluate for yourself if it would be a good idea for you or not. And by the way, I'd love to hear from you in the comments if you have any input or even if you have any questions. Don't forget to check out my other videos on unique travel experiences and subscribe for more content on adventures around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.